Hi everyone! In this video, we will simplify expressions using the order of operations with absolute value. Simplify this expression. But before we do that, let's review the order of operations, starting with parentheses, exponent, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. Some like the mnemonic PEMDAS, taking the first letter of each of those words, creating the word PEMDAS, or the phrase, please, excuse, my dear, Aunt Sally, taking the first word of each of those letters in the phrase, creating the first letter of each of the phrase for the operations in the order they go. While I don't have a set of parentheses for the absolute value, it does end up being this first step since it is a grouping symbol. So this set of absolute values needs to be evaluated first. And within that set of absolute values, we still follow the order of operations. And so within there, I have another grouping, or this set of parentheses here. So that must be evaluated first. So we'll copy everything else down and only evaluate what's inside the parentheses. 3 minus 1 is 2. And I'm going to keep the parentheses, not because I'm going to do anything further, but that it's indicating I'm multiplying between the 4 and the 2. Now I've finished that inside the absolute values, the grouping of the parentheses, I can move to the next step. Exponents. Inside the absolute value, I don't have any exponents, so I can move on to the next step. Multiplying and dividing from left to right. I have 2 here. I have a multiplication between the 4 and the 2 and a division sign between what we get for the product and the denominator. Since I'm moving from left to right, or in this case from top to bottom, since we move from the top to the bottom, left to right, we'll multiply first. 4 times 2 is 8, and then we'll evaluate the division second. Copying everything else down, the next step I have is the division of 8 divided by 8, which is 1. Still in the set of parentheses or absolute values, and all being raised to the 5th. We're still working inside that grouping of the absolute value because we have not finished that yet, to then take care of the exponent of the 5 on the outside. The absolute value means the distance from 0. 1 is 1 unit from 0. So the absolute value of 1 is 1. And now we can bring down the 5, and now we can evaluate that exponent on the outside, since I have now finished all of the grouping of the absolute value on the inside, which was our first p or parenthesis. Now I have 1 to the 5th. This means 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. 1 times 1 5 times still gives me 1. And this is all evaluated down or simplified to 1. And now we're all done.